They say the skyline tells the story of a city, and in Kuala Lumpur, that story reaches 452 meters into the sky. The Petronas Twin Towers, once the tallest buildings in the world, aren't just steel and glass. They are a symbol of Malaysia's rise, a blend of modern ambition and deep tradition. Look closely and you see geometry inspired by Islamic art. Two interlocking squares forming an eight-pointed star. Every detail was designed to reflect harmony, technology meeting faith, and culture meeting progress. From the ground, they make you look up, but from the sky bridge, you see a whole city dreaming higher. And that's the thing about landmarks like this. They don't just stand tall, they remind us why we do too. But behind every landmark, there's a story. And the Petronas Twin Towers, even their name carries meaning. Petronas is short for Petroleum Nasional Berhad, Malaysia's national oil and gas company, the force that powered this country's modern rise. These towers weren't built just to impress the world. They were built to tell the world who Malaysia had become. A vision of progress, culture, and identity, rising side by side just like the towers themselves. Construction began in 1993, right here at what used to be Kuala Lumpur's old racetrack. Designed by Argentine architect Cesar Pelli, the towers were meant to reflect Malaysia's blend of modern ambition and deep tradition. Each tower stands 88 stories tall, connected by a sky bridge at the 41st and 42nd floors. A bridge that isn't permanently attached, allowing both towers to move safely with the wind. The floor plan follows an eight-pointed Islamic star, a symbol of balance and unity, representing how faith and progress can rise together. Over 33,000 stainless steel and 55,000 glass panels makes up the facade, designed to shimmer in Malaysia's tropical light. And when they officially opened in 1999, the Petronas Twin Towers stood as the tallest buildings in the world, and the message to the world that Malaysia had arrived. Today, they remain the heart of Kuala Lumpur, surrounded by KLCC Park, Surya Mall, and the Philharmonic Hall. And for many travelers, this is where the story of Malaysia truly begins. From the Sky Bridge on level 41, you will see the heartbeat of Kuala Lumpur below. From the observation deck on level 86, the city stretches endlessly. Glass, color, motion, and light. And when you step outside again, take a walk through the KLCC Park. 17 acres of calm right beneath the towers. Perfect for that final shot before the night falls. Then stay a little longer, because when the lights come on and the fountains dance to music, you understand why this place isn't just Malaysia's landmark. It is its heartbeat. A reminder that every city has a moment that defines it. And in Kuala Lumpur, it is right here where the sky begins.